Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your eyes are a specific color? Or seen a cow with both red and white spots? It all comes down to the amazing world of genetics, where the instructions for every part of us are written in our genes. Today, we are going to break down a fascinating genetic showdown: dominance versus codominance. Understanding dominance. First, let's talk about dominance. This is the classic rule of genetics. For most traits, you inherit two versions of a gene, one from each parent. These versions are called alleles. Let's use eye color as our example. Say you get an allele for brown eyes from your mom and an allele for blue eyes from your dad. The brown eye allele is a bully. It's the dominant one. It completely overpowers the blue eye allele, which is the recessive one. The result? You get brown eyes, and the blue eye trait is completely hidden. It's suppressed, almost as if it's not even there. The twist: codominance. One of the best examples is the black and white checkered chicken. A chicken can have an allele for black feathers and an allele for white feathers. When a black chicken mates with a white chicken, their offspring isn't a gray chicken. Instead, you get a beautiful chicken with both black and white feathers. The alleles for black and white are both expressed, side by side, creating a unique pattern. This isn't just in a plant or animal. Codominance happens inside you, too. The human AB and O blood group system is a perfect example. You have alleles for blood types A, B, and O. The A allele and the B allele are codominant. If you inherit one A allele and one B allele, what's your blood type? It's AB. Both alleles are fully expressed on the surface of your red blood cells. So, whether it's a checkered chicken or your own blood type, remember that genetics isn't always a simple case of dominance. Sometimes, genes work together, playing fair, and creating something truly unique. If you found this video interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science content. Let us know in the comments below what other genetic topics you'd like to see next.